This is one of the fantastic products that does its job pretty well and saves a lot of time and water. This is Bosch Universal Aquatak 125 1500 watt water pressure washer. The link for the product is mentioned in the description below. To start with, this is a water filter to clean out any dirt that is in the water flowing in. It has to be screwed in here firmly, but make sure not to get it too tight as it might break since it is made of plastic. This is a water gun and the extension to which the water flow adapters will mount on. To fix it, we just need to follow the marking here. And press it and twist to lock it into the water gun. Next, we mount one of the adapters to the water gun. We just need to press the red button and press the adapter to lock it in. Similarly, press the button again to unmount. This is an extension given for the input water pipe. The box doesn't come with this garden hose pipe. We need to buy it separately. Link is given in the description below. So to fix this to the pipe, we need to unscrew the tightener. Put it in the pipe and then push the pipe in the extension and screw back in the tightener. Followed by attaching it to the main unit by just pressing it against the filter. To unmount the pipe, just pull back the red disengaging mechanism. Next, we have the hose pipe to connect the main unit with the water gun. So, we take one end of the pipe and push it in the opening on the back of the main unit. And the other end on the water gun. To remove the pipe, we just need to push in the red lever sideways to release the pipe. Next, we connect the main unit wire to a 16 amp plug and we are ready at the machine end. This is the main unit handle adjuster. Can be adjusted by unscrewing the red knob and changing the height of the handle. Screw back the knob to fix the height. The other end of the garden pipe can be either put in a nearby pond, lake or in a bucket in this manner. Also, it can be attached to a running tap. Please make sure that the garden pipe is in water before starting the main unit. To start the main unit, simply turn the knob from 0 to 1 and press and hold the water gun till you get a continuous spray of water. The main unit will draw water only when the trigger is pressed. This is another attachment for dispensing soap or detergent. Simply fill in soap in the bottle and start the trigger. Twist the handle to rotate the direction of the flow. To lock the trigger, we just need to press the front red button, and to release, press the red button next to it.